So the normal way you would get data out from your ECC system is to, and the way I would recommend is to use proxies. If you are looking for a course about how you can set up proxies, then there's a one on picourse.com called SAP adapters that is telling you a little about how do we set up these different adapters, how do we create a proxy, we can send out messages, and I would definitely recommend doing that because proxy is the most secure way to send these ways. So in there you would simply just set up an interface. You would then implement this proxy in your ABAP code. You would, I don't know if you have the file in your ECC system, or you just have all the data, then you would put, and you're going to send an XML file, you would just put in the data into this XML file, you would process it then, and then it will be sent to the PI system as normal PI message. You would then be able to to map it if you have anything like that, and then you just put in a SFTP adapter in your PI system. So let's see if we got that one. Then we can. So here, I think in the last video I showed you how to install this thing, and then you put in the SFTP server. You put in a star in this one or any value in this, and then once you get so in the SFTP you put server name, you put a fingerprint. Fingerprint is this server's unique identification, so you'd always be able to refer to it. And then you want to specify if you want to log on with private keys, and you would save that into a key store. And that's hopefully the way you're going to do it. But proxies is the way to go, because you can fill in the message, get a full XML message you just be able to deliver. So using DSR to create it. If you already have the file created in the ERP system and you just want to send it, it's also possible to add this file into the ABAP code. And I'm not that good at that part of ABAP, and how you could set that up specifically. But I think there's some different information about how you get this information from and attach it to a proxy. So there's a lot of ABAP objects coding about getting the meta, place it into this object and send it. But you can send it as an attachment, and then in your SFTP adapter you would add the module. Obviously this one doesn't have template. There's a payload swap module that you'd be able to use, and with that you would be able to see this the specific or you would be able to switch to this attachment that you have created, and then this would be saved with the SFTP adapter.